Hi friends, in this video I'm going to show you how to find the date of birth. You can see from this employee table we have all the record and we have the date of birth. So our requirement is that we need to find out the list of employee whose date of birth is 1990, 1st January 1990 to 1st January 2003. Okay, so we need to find out the list of employee which will fall under the date of birth 1st January 1990 and 1st January 2003. Okay, so this is our requirement. So let me do one thing. Let me write a query. Select start from employee where DOB, we need to use the between. Okay, between we need to use the date column like 1990 01 01 and 2003 01 01. Okay, so let me check. You can see all the list of employee having the date of birth between 1990 and 2003. Okay, so you cannot see any employee having 2002. So if you need to find out the list of employee whose date of birth will be between 2004 and 2000, let me show you. You can see these are the list of employee. Okay, so this is how you can do that. You need to use between and that format and the date. Okay, so this is how you can do that. So guys, if you like my video, please don't forget to subscribe it. Thank you.